Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade carrot pickle, easy method. Start by gathering fresh carrots, vinegar, sugar, salt, spices, and sterilized jars. Peel and cut carrots into matchsticks, blanch briefly, and cool before pickling. Heat a simple brine of vinegar, water, sugar, and salt until sugar dissolves, then pour over carrots. Let jars cool, refrigerate, or process in a water bath for longer storage, and taste after 24 hours to adjust seasoning. Collect your ingredients and set up a clean workspace to keep the process smooth. I recommend using firm carrots and fresh spices for crisp texture and vivid flavor. Measure vinegar to water carefully so your pickles are properly acidic for preservation and safety. Combine sugar and salt to balance the tartness and bring out savory notes. Keep jars and lids sterilized and within easy reach before you begin packing the carrots tightly inside. Work efficiently. Blanch carrots for a minute or two to set color and maintain crunch. While they cool, bring the vinegar, water, sugar, and salt mixture to a boil so the sugar dissolves and spices infuse. Pack carrots neatly into jars, add optional garlic or chili, then pour the hot brine leaving proper headspace. Wipe rims clean, seal lids, and either refrigerate for quick eat or process in a water bath for shelf stability if you prefer long-term storage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.